What's up, everyone? So today we're going to go over the Chapter 4 study guide. So let's get to it. Letter A. Triangle ABC is dilated down to become triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. What is the scale factor? All right. So to rephrase the question, we want to know by what scale factor, by either how much it grew or how much it shrunk, did this triangle go to this triangle. Obviously, we can tell it shrunk, right? So, very easy way to do that. We just need to find the scale factor. So let's just pick one point. Let's pick the point A. This one, and then A prime. So if we know A is 6, 6, and we know A prime is 2 and 2, well, 6 times what? Let's go here. Times what will equal 2? 6 times nothing will equal 2, but 6 divided by 3 will give us 2, right? So, and that's the same as multiplying by 1/3. That'll give us 2. What about this 6? 6 times 1/3 will give us 2. Okay? And that's all you do. You basically just compare the points. So the scale factor is 1/3, because this number and this number are the same. 1/3. Okay? Letter B. Mary now dilates. Let me erase some of this. Mary now dilates triangle ABC about the origin by a scale factor of 4. What are the coordinates of B prime? Well, let's look at B right here. B is 3, 3. And she has a scale factor of 4, so we multiply by 4. Each coordinate by 4, each point. So you're going to get B prime is 12, 12. You multiplied x, which is 3, by 4, which gave you 12. You multiplied y, which is 3, by 4, which is 12. Okay? Very easy. Don't forget to box your answers. Determine if each pair of triangles are similar. If they are, explain which similarity theorem can be used. If they are not, explain why. Okay? So we're going to do the first one. And let's go ahead and just compare the sides. 4 and 8 simplify this, you get 1/2, right? And let's do the other side. 3 and 6 is 1/2 as well. So we have this, the two sides have the same ratio, the proportion. And then angle. So side, angle, side, side, angle, side. And again, this only works because when we compared the sides here and here, they had the same proportion of 1/2, 1/2. Okay? Because the sides are both 1/2. The angles are the same. So we have side, angle, side. And let me write the angles. Angle A is congruent to angle P. Therefore, yes by side, angle, side. similarity. SAS. All right. Letter B. Same thing. We need to compare these. So we know already that this right angle is going to be similar to this right angle. Okay? Let me zoom in. So angle T is congruent to angle S. And we know this is parallel because of that arrow. And this is parallel. We have two parallel lines. This angle here. These angles are vertical angles. So we can do something like angle PQT is congruent to angle RQS. So this angle is congruent to this angle. That's basically what I said here in this statement. By vertical angles. So we have two triangles and we have two different things that are the same. We have this angle and this angle is congruent to this angle and this angle. Therefore, yes, the triangles are congruent or similar. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's your similarity. Yes, the triangles are similar by what? What are they similar by? Angle, angle. Similarity. Okay? Next problem. Find the value of x. Okay, so if you can see this, let me get different. This is like a triangle within a triangle here. This triangle, and then the bigger triangle. Okay, so we're just going to compare the sides as we've done before. So let's do 8 is to 4 as x is to 6. We can cross multiply here and you get 4x and 48 divided by 4 to both sides. And x equals 12. Okay? Pretty easy. And we do the same thing here as we did with the other one. So let's go ahead and put the ratios together. 14 is to x as 21 is to 9. Again, cross multiply. 126 divided by 21. X equals 6. Okay? Not too bad. Number 11. Find the value of x. Okay, so because we have an altitude here between P and S, we can do this proportion. X over 8 is equal to 8 over 4. Okay? X over 8 is equal to 8 over 4. You cross multiply and you get 4x equals 64. Divide, divide. X equals 16. Now this other problem here, it says find AC. Okay, so find AC. We're just going to call that X as well. Now this is different from this one here because we had an altitude. Here they didn't give us an altitude. So it's this formula but backwards. So 8 is to X as X is to the whole thing. So this triangle basically is to X as X is to the whole triangle. Alright, so let's go ahead and do 8 is to X as X is to 10. Because 8 plus 2 is 10. Cross multiply. X squared equals 80. Square root. X equals 8.94. Alright. Next question. Lori, who is 63 inches tall, wants to measure the height of the tallest building on her school's campus. She places a mirror on the ground and walks away from it until she can spot the top of the building in the mirror. Her friend measures and finds that Lori is 6 feet away from the mirror and that the mirror is 32 feet away from the base of the building. Draw a diagram of the situation, then use your diagram to find the height of the building. Okay, so let's take some information out. 63 inches tall, 6 feet away, 32 feet away. Alright, let's try to draw it. So 63 inches, everything is in feet, but that's in inches. So let's convert it. 63 inches. How many 12 inches is 1 foot. So we're going to divide by 12. Is how many times is 12 going to 63? 5.25, and that's going to be feet. Okay? And actually, it doesn't make sense if I put inches on here, but yeah. It's 63 inches. We know 12 inches is 1 foot. Okay? So we got 5.25 feet. So let's draw our picture. Okay? That's 5.25 feet. And we know that Lori is Lori is 6 feet away from the mirror. So we're going to say a mirror is right here. Okay? But the building's over here. And she's 32 feet from the building, base of the building. So we want to find the height of the building. We want to find x. So we can just compare these. This to this is equal to that. All right. 5.25 over 6, we do feet, is equal to x over 32 feet. We cross multiply and we get 6x equals 168 divided by 6. X equals 28 feet. So that means the height of the building is 28 feet. Okay? All right. So I hope this review was helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions. See you guys next time. Peace.